Hello, I'm back with another video. Today I will discuss about my new project or about task 5. Uh, in the task 5, there are requirement about the generate fake user. And there will have name, address, and phone number, and there will also have a unique ID. Okay, so I have made the application according to the requirements. So now I will discuss about it. So first of all, if I try to enter my application for the first time, so let's refresh the application. I'm trying to refresh. Okay, it is fetching data. Okay, now you can see that I have data. There is about 20 data from my database that I have generated randomly by this generate button. And if I scroll down, then it will show more result. You can see that my scroll bar is like this. If I write down here, okay, there is another result. If I go down here, there is another result, and it is coming gradually. It is from the database backend server and database. It is coming gradually, and I have total 119 fake user information in my databases that has already come. But initially I have only 20 data in my table. But when I have scroll infinity scroll feature, I have implemented here in infinity scroll feature. So when I am trying to go down, then all the data is coming gradually. If I show you again, please see that. Okay, you can see that there is only 20 data. Then again it is increasing, it is increasing and increasing. Okay, so there was another requirements that if I sense my region, then it will get the result according to my region. Okay, suppose I want to get all the fake user from the region of Poland. So if I have select here, it is facing data. Okay, you can see that there is information, there is user information about Poland. Okay, all the information: Poland name, Poland address, Poland people name, address, and phone number. And you can see that more result is facing, and there is total 31 result. Okay, so here is some correct result, and there is some result with errors. According to the requirements, I have to generate information about generate user information with error result. Okay, we will see it later how it works actually. And if I select Georgia, now you can see that all the information about Georgian local. Okay, if I choose Germany, then yeah, it is coming from all the German result. Okay, if I click Greek, then you can see that there is a Greek information. Okay, I'm selecting all. So by default, it will it will generate the user in English. So please see carefully. If I and my errors field is empty and my seed field is empty. And now if I click on the generate button, uh, please uh, uh, look carefully. Number one is Clifton Barrows. But if I click here, generate button, it is facing okay. New data is here. First data was Clifton Barrows, but now my first data is Kilero first, and his address is Faroe Island, Fort Hillard, and this is street address, and his phone number is like this. That means I'm generating a random data. By default, local is English, USA local. That is USA local. Okay. So if I click again generate button, okay, there is another result and the new result. This is another result and this is phone number. Okay. Now, suppose I want to generate another local result. So first of all, I want to go Greek. Okay. You can see that there is only two result in Greek. So I want to add more result, more information, fake information. If I click here, you can see that there is third result, address and phone number also. If I generate here, there is a fourth result. Okay, if I go to German, you can see that already there is a 11 result, 11 information. Okay, if I click the generate button, okay, new information and there is 12 information. New information is here. So again go to the USA, that is default English version. So please follow this. Suppose now I have latest user is Mark Jacobi. So there is no errors and there is no seed. If I generate a seed, suppose I'm generating a seed, there is a seed value. So if I generate again new result, see what's happened. There is Pamela Ryan. And with the same seed, I will try to generate new user. Let's see what's happened. So let's click on the generate button. I'm clicking on this. Okay. Now you can see that again we got the same user information. Got it? This result and these results are same. Names is same, address are same, phone number are same. Now you can say that how it could be happen. It is happen for the seats number. According to the requirement, uh, there was that if I generate information with the same seat, then again and again the result will be same. If I generate again, then you can see that the third result is also same result. Now let's see what's happened if I change the seat. So I'm changing the seat. I'm clicking here. Okay. Now you can see that I have another seat number. So if I generate button, boom, you can see that there is new information. There is new information. And all the system is available with all the region. If I select Poland and if I click generate button with the same seat, let's see what's happened. Pan Rasmond, this is the result. Again, I'm clicking same result. If I'm again click, again same result. If I change the seat, if I click generate button, there is different result, different information. You can see that. I think you got my point. You get the concept. You get the requirements about the seat. So another feature is errors. Now I will say about errors. So first of all, I want to remove the seat. So that's why I want to refresh this application again. Okay, now you can see that all the information is about here is all information, but I don't want not all the information. I just want the USA local information that is written in English. So you can see that here is all the users in English. So if I generate error, suppose I want to give four errors. If now generate button, what's happened? If I click, let's click to here. Okay, I'm clicking here. Okay, okay. Now you can see that the wrong name, wrong address are wrong, phone number are wrong. Okay, you can see that again. If I click select all, okay, if I click generate button, you can see that wrong name, wrong address, and wrong phone number again. If I set the error 6, then if I click the generate button, again you can see that wrong information, wrong name, wrong address, and wrong phone number. Actually, that was the requirement. I have to generate the user information according to the errors. That will depend on the errors. If there is error, then it will generate the error value. And if there is no error, then it will generate random user. So I have used here to generate random value. I have used here a JavaScript library that is Faker.js, and Faker.js already accept the concept of seed. If I uh, give them a seed value, then it will generate a value, and if I give them a same seed value, then it will generate same value. And don't give if I don't give them any seed value, then it will automatically generate a seed by themselves. Okay, so again you also here put amount in here. You can set here 400. So I do not want to generate a value with the 400 error. That will be very bad practice. So I am removing this. So I want to set value 3 or 4. Okay, now I want to set the error 2. So let's see what's happened. I'm generating this. Okay, there is new value, wrong value. As there is a uh, less error number, that's why the information look like something correct but not fully correct. Okay, if I set the error value 7 or 8, okay, let's generate, click on the generate button. Okay, now you can see that fully uncommon and error result. Okay, I think you got my point. All the information is here about this application. I have deployed this application in render, and I have also deployed my backend application also in render.com. So my backend application is also by Express.js, that is a library of JavaScript or Node.js. Okay, so I think it is clear now. It is clear. Okay.